Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a Word document on iPhone. Now the first thing that we're going to do is head over here on the App Store, and we're going to go ahead and tap on the button right here and just go ahead and type here Word. Once you do that, you should be able to see here Microsoft Word. Go ahead and open it, and then from here you can go ahead and create your own by clicking the create button here in the middle. And what you can do is head over to the recommended and use this plus sign right here. From this point forward, you can go ahead and start creating your own document. All right, say for example, I am done just like so. I can go over and tap on this three dots here and then click this document here at the top. Basically, I can rename this document. So I'm going to go ahead and call it sample document. Click on the checkbox, click on done, and then you click the X button, and you can see that now if I click home right here, this is the document that I have. So that's how easy it is to make your own Word document on your iPhone.